Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows updates, specifically the Windows Server update service, and that an error occurred trying to connect the WSUS server. This error can happen for a number of reasons. Check connectivity with the server. Please contact your network administrator if the problem persists. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart the service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong control panel, at dito lang sa top right corner, and i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung programs and features. So, click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung turn Windows features on or off. So, i-click mo lang yan. At dito sa Windows features on or off, so kailangan lang natin i-locate at dito yung Internet Information Service. So, once na-locate mo na dito yung Internet Information Service, so i-click mo lang yung positive sign. So, click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan nakacheck tong lahat yung box na FTP server, web management, and then yung World Wide Web service. So, kailangan nakacheck itong box. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung OK. And wait natin na ma-complete yung searching for required files. Okay, so Windows completed the requested changes. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to modify the registry editor case. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-tap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong Registry Editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK Local Machines. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yun para mag-expand. And ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Software Folder. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And dito sa software folder, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft folder. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand ulit. And then dito sa Microsoft ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Update Services, Server Setup. So, kailangan natin yan hanapin. Ayan, so once na-locate mo na yung Update Services, Server Setup, so one time click ka lang dyan. At dito lang sa right side pane, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung content dir and then yung target dir. So, ang gagawin natin dito is kailangan natin itong i-delete. So, click mo lang tong content dir. So, and right click. And then, kailangan mo lang i-delete yung folder. And yung next, ito yung target dir. So, kailangan ulit natin itong i-delete. So, select and right click. And then, click mo lang dito yung delete. And then, click mo lang dito yung yes. So, once na-delete mo na dito, and the next step ay dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix an error occurred trying to connect to the WSUS server. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.